my condensed glue gels, everyone. Sorry, I'm using my little twin tip brush. See if I can. So if you like to practice it today or the weekend, if you're doing it, just do it. I will support you, absolutely. So I am not gonna put top coat yet. I will do some top coat later. But I'm gonna do just the beads here. Ah, no crystal, huh? Alright, so I'm not putting any crystals at all. I'm gonna put my beads on this. Where are my beads go? I don't want this big. Alright, I think I have her right here, my crystal tray. So let's see if you just have a bead to work with. Let's do the best out of these beads over here. Oh, do you wanna, maybe the gold looks good, do you think? Alright, doesn't matter. So I didn't put any top coat yet. Just leave it there. I will show you because this is, if you decide to put all the beads in it, I'm using my twin tip brush and I pick all of the beads right here, the silver beads. You can do gold, you can do rose gold. Oh, this one looks good with rose gold. Shantella, this is the nails for you to learn. If you follow all the steps, I promise you will get, it's really easy. If I need more condensed glue gels, I am gonna add more condensed glue gels on this. I just want a lot of beads on this one. More condensed glue gels. The reason is that I will coat that with top coat. On this cute beads right there. And this nail I already top coated just in case you wonder. You can do randomly. You don't have to be like exactly like every single of them in there. Right. More beads.
Say it look like a wedding cake.
Huh?
It looks like a wedding cake.
It is?
That's what people say.
Awesome. I'm so glad you all ladies like this.
Yes, they make everyone hungry.
It is like a wedding cake? For real? Looks cute though. I love sweet stuff though. I couldn't help it. It's like I thought after I have my kids, my appetite's gonna change. That's when I was little. I love like cake. I love pastries. I couldn't help it. But you know, I don't like sour. So you're talking about cake. My mind was thinking, oh, cake. I just love, I thought that, you know, when after I have my kids, I would change, my appetizer would change, but it's never changed. I only love sweet stuff. I never care for sour, like lemonade, it's not my favorite. But lemonade with the sweet tea, I will take it. So when you say about wedding cake, I don't think about wedding cake, I just think of sweet cake. Just me, sorry, just silly. A little bit about myself. I hate snake. Talking about that, like sweet and hate snake. I'm scared of snake and not hating it. I'm scared of it. And mice, rat, whatever it is. It's, if you put like snake in front of me and scare me or rat, I can do anything for you. Do your nails, maybe. All right. Oh, here, then we need this one. I will add some more. I feel it's like a little bit naked there. Add some more. Sorry, talking about cake. I think about what I like and what I scare and hate. I love dog and I love cat. Okay, cat is easy. My mom has cat for like 10 years. She's known my mom's like spoil her, so she will never listen to anyone. That's a cat my mom has. I don't know, I keep going with this and you can, I just don't want to do like the beats all like 1, 2, 3. You can do randomly. That it's like being, it looks more of fun natural, I guess. Can you like believe that we don't have crystal on this one, just beads only? That's the beads came for. Yeah, okay. Sorry. All right, my ladies. All my ladies, all my love. All right. This is a bonus nails. For all of you is asking for the 3D and no crystal. Do you think we have enough beads? I think so, huh? Right there. You can put more in here if you want to. That's really, it's up to you. All right. Maybe right there. One beads right here. Great. I don't want to hang off on the edges though, so you bring it back here. And then you can feel like you want to fill in to some spot that you want your bead to be in. Like feel free to do that as well. I think it's going to be so fun. I feel like I am like Sarah right now. She's so artistic about this. She can pull this off so well. Before I was afraid to do all the beads, now I'm not because we have the precision glue to seal everything in for us. I might feel like I have a couple more right there. I love this handy tinter brush. It's just so much handy. You see how I pick it's all this? without worry about it's not gonna stay on. All right, I think I a little bit go too much on that, so I don't like that. I'll take this off. There you go. Maybe 3. But you start getting too many in there, and the flower, I don't want it. I just want to be busy outside, but in like the flowers need to be plain like that. Looks cute. All right, so if we're happy with this, we're gonna give it a cure. I'm gonna cure first, and I will top coat it, because then that way we can coat this beads and prevent from tarnish. And let's see, this one right there, right here. Okay, cure for this for 60 seconds.